In today's video, we're going to be trying on two of our brand new lashes. And it's especially fun because we're going to be showing you the biggest lash we now offer and the smallest lash we now offer. So our first new lash is called the Cheeky Lash. So as you can see, our Cheeky Lash is on the smaller side, and it's going to be perfect for anyone out there with smaller shaped eyes and someone who's maybe looking for more of a subtle look instead of like something super bold and dramatic. And that leads us into our other brand new lash called the Bougie Lash. So the Bougie Lash is definitely a much bigger lash than the Cheeky Lash, so you're going to get a much bolder, more dramatic look. So now we're going to try these on and show you what they look like so you can decide which one might be for you. And maybe both are for you, because I know that for me, I like to go sometimes a little more natural. Maybe I don't want to even let people know I'm wearing lashes at all. And then sometimes I want to like be really bold and have really big lashes and just like have it look more dramatic. So first, of course, we're going to be applying our magnetic liner because otherwise the lashes aren't going to be able to stick to anything. So you always want to shake up the bottle before you start use. And then once you've done that, you can open it up and we've got our liner ready to go. So what I always like to do is I look down into a mirror when I'm applying my liner. And to start off, we're going to be trying Cheeky first. And so I'm going to just be doing like a very natural liner just so that we can have it be able to stick, but I'm not going to be doing a wing or anything crazy, just enough so that the lashes will stick and it will keep the look a lot more natural. So looking down into my mirror, I also like to make sure that the wand or the brush is running along my eye and I'm not coming in at an angle like this, because you're going to have a lot less control here at this angle. Instead, you almost want to run it flat along your eye. You're going to have a lot more control and get much straighter line. Another really good tip is to take your time with this, especially if you're new to using liquid liner. It's going to take a couple tries to get the hang of it, and you want to be patient with yourself. You don't want to rush through it and then be unhappy with your application. So take your time, and as you learn, you'll get much faster. So as you can see, the way I applied it, it's not super dramatic, and it's going to be perfect for this lash. So while this eye is drying, I'm going to go ahead and do this eye, and that's another really important tip, is you really want to make sure the liner is completely dry before trying to stick on any of the lashes. So now that I've done one coat on both eyes, I'm actually going to go in really quickly and do another coat just to make sure everything is really evenly on there. And then after that, I'm going to make sure to wait about 2 to 5 minutes to let everything dry. And I want to mention, while you're letting this dry, you can go and do your eyebrows. You can go and do something else, a part of your routine. So you can work it into your routine and not just like have to sit here and wait. You can do your liner and then, like I said, fill in your eyebrows, do your liner. And then what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara and make sure that's dry too. So we're just like getting the whole drying process out of the way all at once. And so you can like work this into your routine so that you're not just sitting and waiting and like waiting for it to be dry. You can, go do your hair, do something else, and that will like make sure everything is sped up and you're not just waiting around. So like I said, while I'm letting the liner dry, I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara just so that my lashes don't have any powder on them from when I was doing my foundation or anything like that. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara, but you want to make sure that it's completely dry before you put on your lashes, because the mascara can actually ruin the lashes if you get it on there. This is probably a step you're definitely going to want to do when you're wearing our Cheeky Lash, because it doesn't go all the way across your lash line, or at least for me it doesn't. And so I want to make sure I have mascara on the inner part of my lashes so everything looks super cohesive. So once you think you've waited long enough, you can do the dry test where you take your ring finger and you can touch the liner, and if nothing comes off on your finger, then you are good to go. So first, like I said, going in with Cheeky. And they're these guys right here. They only have 3 magnets on them, so they are going to be great for smaller eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and look down into my mirror again, because this is really helpful when I'm applying these lashes. And I'm just going to hover over the top and let them snap on. It's so easy, it's ridiculous. And if you have any issues where it kind of landed, you can just pick it up and move it where it needs to go. So you can obviously see there's actually a major difference, and it is such a small lash, but it does just add a little bit. Like, this is such a pretty lash to just throw on when you want a little bit of something, but not like anything crazy. Probably no one will even know you're wearing lashes because they look so natural and I love them. It's literally so easy. I'm still, every time I'm still like in shock because it's so easy. So here's what the cheeky lashes look like on. They're so pretty and I can barely feel them at all, like at all. And they literally will go with any look you ever could think of and just give it that extra little lash on the end, and it looks so pretty. I just like can't handle it. Clearly I love them. All right, so now I'm going to switch to the Bougie Lash so you guys can see what a difference that makes. And I'm just going to remove these really quickly, and obviously I'm going to show you guys because, oh my god, they're already off. All right, so now for the Bougie Lash, and you can definitely see they're much bigger. So before I apply the Bougie lashes, I'm actually going to add a little bit more liner because these are a bigger lash. It's going to need a little more to stick to, so I'm going to apply a little more on the inner and the outer corner of my eye. So as you can see, the liner is just a little bit thicker. You can, of course, do a winged liner. I'm not too much of a winged liner girl, only sometimes when I'm really feeling it, so I'm not going to do a wing today. I'm just going to make the liner a little bit thicker so it has something to stick onto. Then, of course, let the liner dry again. All right, now that the liner is dry, I'm going to go in and snap the Bougie Lash on. So there is the Bougie Lash. Clearly it is much bigger, much bolder, much more dramatic than the Cheeky Lash. So I'm going to pop on the other one so you can see what they both look like on, so I stop looking crazy. So here is the Bougie Lash. What's crazy is it's so much more of a dramatic look, and I didn't even apply extra eyeshadow. I literally just did a little extra liner so it had something to stick to, and that's it. And like literally now my look went from kind of like supernatural, nothing crazy, to like this is like a very dramatic, bold look, and all you did was change the lash. So that is it for our Cheeky and Bougie try-on. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I hope it kind of like made things a little more clear on what these look like on your actual eye. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below, and you can hit the bell to be notified anytime we post so you never miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!